go marry me. If you assess if I do Toto come as we gather around the Toto, you're the fuck everybody go your day. It's normal level. As far as the understanding and the love is there. Now another person will come enter the 3 or 4 come fall in love with us. Now we can't get problem.
Beatrice Okpaika, this video not for you. May I already we coin ya? You're lovely. Why you say Beatrice Okpaika or coin? When they say we coin Beatrice Okpaika, we open a platform. You open platform. All tower ni. You allow that they insult Precious Meg. You sit down for there. When bear ewo ne we agbefo ekiche come back to you. Now they blame. I shall take your women forgiving heart. You don't get forgiving heart. That they talk matter. See the way when stainless, they insult Precious Meg for your platform. They better go with Precious Meg, your platform, no say. Well, at all. We program. You can put your opinion. Anybody have his or her opinion to put, but not when it comes to insult. Not when you go be insult. Where only video. Ni this girl biwa choy. Honor see Orlando, ya no know where it dey. Where even you see me Precious Meg, you still hang on there. You hang on there. Instead of you to talk, say no. You go mute am. But if na Benin people now, if na Benin person now, some person they insult like this, now they'll say mute am. This Okpaika where people were nyeje. I dey pity for people. Wey be say una go fight finish, they will come back to you again. Now they are the pity for. When you know say, unye bokwo ba. How can you they do program? Everybody gets his own opinion. Talk your own go. Another person go come go talk your go. When we platform no ukbo hani. When we platform na no go with Precious Meg give ni. Abi bivare luti talking here on ata for cash on weda open platform ni Benin people ne do agun Precious Meg. O pari we ni Precious Meg here receive ni re. Olupo kan you say you go with Precious Meg. You see later they saw Precious Meg for there. This Okpaika make you enter house if you don't know how to use brain. You don't let those things. If not me, I don't go accept them. If you want to put your opinion, then you go. Not sit on my platform. Anybody that talks, then you go they insult the person. It doesn't work that way. Well, what open platform? No, can you know who Precious Meg because of us and you don't who Precious Meg. Since in the revere who Precious Meg. This Okpaika why you use the brain no said this so. Where come you come be? On our show any I don't just like the way when you tell they do something who come be. Va teve lolo teve money carry ni. Hello. Me na me I just say make I do this video. You get one video when one blogger blog. Même if you speaker. Yeah, Kisha go be okay, so Okpaika go give them chance. Okpaika can go not do with Benin people. Okpaika they call the tell Okpaika say it's Okpaika. I did all way you go give Benin people chance when they call the insult Tisha.
Even they laugh. What did they laugh for? Meg and the Lolo.
Be Meg we still less je.
They saw them. Why you they laugh? Lolo, no even go any platform. You enter as you don't do. Go they talk for your work. I don't know what you they do.
I know me want about change. Also only metano revecchio Precious Meg yes even need yeah onu po kan no me no rive na o say ya guwi Precious Meg for the front of British Okpaika.
Irita quarrel. You still say when this matter, when the day platform, Rita no that word, you know it's not lolo.
You know it's all lolo. Yeah, that is how to know mature people.
Even Lawa no insult lolo. No of them insult lolo, but you just give the time yesterday, then begin to insult lolo.
Waiting. Ma ekimari system uvai. On ekine do adona. This Benin people. On ekine do adona. Ekimari system uvai. Eki do agu wiyesan. Okpaika go come open platform for them. The day when Okpaika wan come say me insult Benin people, they go come they tell Okpaika say Okpamahi. Why you go dey insult Precious Make? Where Okpaika do? Okpaika no fit cut her off. Na Precious Make na be the matter when dey ground.
Okpaika no insult them.
Okpaika no insult them.
What your head self? What you they do? God they talk for your way. Even though say na two people they look you, who you they even they defend to. You not do. We not say Monica won't use and rob you. Now wait till they find. Now you see so. I bet no me enter. I see the way when they say they insult you. Now let God know whether you do or you not do. Enter. You not do. Monica.
Let Lolo go to her platform. Let her go and fight it there. It's not today.
Okpaika don't even they have and say you not sure say do all those things. Then they start and they.
Egumi Precious Make or even your je. Okay, no rive Germany. Ne yo bieni or me ale ne yo biena si kokobiri yo ni biena. No the one when they say that one bon for. No yo abae san bi no bini. That one come. If they talk anyhow.
Okay, now that one that they call Bay.
Ayo bay or ni yo bay. Or that one come. If they talk anyhow. The matter when they talk. All of them when they say, me papa segu mi gan, oye dede, me papa segu wenke. Well, I got do to agu with dede. I'm no agu with dede.
Okay, that one when you start to one woman for us right now, you they talk so.
No, I know. Yeah.
They crazy, you know it's not Okpaika that year.
Ask me, Akimava, only character si binini or no.
You see, I remember when Saga Okpaika.
Okay, I go Okpaika, Akimava, Okpaika, me basa guwege. Okpaika many lovely, imudo reva wuo. Oh, you born on the con. Ikoku doneri wo taisan rebe, that Estonia.
I don't know what they do you. You just go there, but the time when this thing happen, them we reach when you on a quarrel, now one break, no one insult you. Now let make you just talk waiting the enter my ear, say, waiting the enter my ear for that platform when I watch. I beg, it's okay, enter, no go up my car word day. Since if they leave them, then they insult you.
No be only she self, no be only she. Oh, you see, Lolo no river. I see Lolo no river because he Precious Make be Monica Van. No river na. Onu pe ye mi na no river na ni no jo me ma le bowo ja yo no ja be I don't know Oni what do toa. What mi ege no regu Precious Make. Bonnie Monica be Lolo ashu wa no see Precious Make. You wait there here. You wait say now you dey smoke out your igbo when they let that land. The time when Lolo with Monica go Precious Make house. When they come out for there, not be saga. Not be Monica start of the saga Precious Make. Not be Monica start of the saga Precious Make. Wait till you come out, come talk. I will say you be person when they true talk truth. You know what I say? These two women, now so we know they put. You know if you leave people when you get matter, you're gonna fight somebody, you're gonna sort Meg. You with Meg una de quarrel because all those Benin people are working we make it for egbejiware owoto. Me wa kwe blame you are making no never more bomb me blame.
People come they insult and say
yeah, Okpaika lu no say ebe never na lu if plus someone no so Okpaika do ahu we woke san. Now some Benin people they do. Iwokes are not they go Benin platform because they insult Benin people. Insult Benin people. But Okpaika go open platform. All these Benin people they go they insult all those Asian people when they do when they there those about space. But the day when Okpaika will come to say Osha se va huiwoke sangbe Okpaika waraka dotwa this Benin people ekidakbare Okpa mahi efe oji
Monica, go straight your boat pull leg for your mouth. Now, your bike and will make what I know will make what if they leave small children, make them call them.
Then they talk of adulterers, then they talk of lesbian. Lesbian a choice. Adulterer na abomination. Lesbian is a choice. Adulterer is abomination. Somebody want that they feel say una this something no enter body woto. As I go peace yesterday, it the night. It the night. Monica went there. He still there video. Now say around 1 o'clock. This one after 1. This one still there live video. If the something come up for Monica body, why they sleep live video today break? Because she know say she know they tell now the truth. Person when they tell truth.
They don't cover up. They don't know.
They know. Elemi genya isi mujanfo. Elemi genya o say ri ilolo cover up. O say ye legenya ewo no so say ye legenya adulterous ohi. He still know say people, you know, see yesterday, I say make I wake up in the night, say make I go peace. I see him for Facebook. After 1, he still dead there. After 1, he still dead there. That's what they do. That man wait there, Viva Choi, London, brother Solo. Now brother Solo wife, now the saga yesterday. Adulterous is adulterous. No matter how you go do and reach, you cannot keep it. If you like, sweep and enter other carpet.
I take put it like for a mass adulterous.
No. That elemi when you see people ekagone cover adulterous. Iriege. No man, the one be sure. Ono come make no river. Make you the see place on move ni re. Onu kpo kan no river na. O say yes see that Okpaika see dead there. This guy see they insult make. Okpaika for tell us say stop. Okpaika can stop. Make no day here again. Even that one when they here when they smoke, when say they smoke audio igbo when they let that land. You know insult Okpaika. Okpaika is a Okpaika get now brain Okpaika get. The brain no dey function. You know Okpaika will be best side. And me say I enter TikTok, people like this talk what you want to talk. If you talk finish, go. If you talk finish, oh yeah, ver. No, quand they insult people when not they insult you. People that have problem, talk to them. Everybody gets his or her opinion to put on issue on the ground. Not be you go tell person say see how you want to talk you. Then they change the matter. Even the law of way they matter when talk for dear. Then they change am for Beatrice Okpaika platform. Beatrice Okpaika no fit talk say nya law red tie. No be say they join now. Now because of precious men, now make me come. They put that.
No say he days to me, but when he don't know say Monica her husband they do something. When he see he come quickly cut. They won't talk now. They say because Monica started do it with and I make her call her. They change the matter. Why cannot we walk when you want? You cannot even say anything.
No, why you on the best side? You're just big. You're just being heavy like a fool.
Hey, they're there for that matter.
Okay, one, me why you when you more the butter one. When all you say if Monica with Lolo they fight, you don't know when they fight. When Lolo first come out years back. When he say he don't know whether the waiting Monica they call him for, he don't know. Oyogenya ribe mina for the no so a ring. Only for the kiriginya boy me ukpe when no ja fien. Now that they show one. Now he caught the call. He said and your noise they enter here. The noise not the if you they not they wash something, may not they enter.
Okay, may I leave you, may I hear you. I'll call you back.
Okay. Then it's the same thing when Lolo talk years back. It's still reach Okpaika platform where they did that to a kive no wagba. As he still reach Okpaika platform, now the same thing still talk. He say as he call her, he pick. He still said that they do na fuck. Now Monica with her husband they fuck. or rukwe mine. Now so the prick it be like pencil. Now so he cut the foe. But as they talk and one girl now he can't talk for the platform. And they just supposed to tell her say now so nine lolote talk. Why you they are Jonah? But no, they are red tota, they are red tie. Me, if I like, maybe we person they quarrel. The way when the person take talk that matter, now so I go take talk. I know they call in. I know they join anybody. Because this one that they join people, the matter not go come up for ground. And adulterous matter can never leave the floor. You don't already dead there, you don't dead there. It's a stain. Adulterous is a stain. To a woman when to say he want to marry, he want the husband house. Once an adulterous, once a woman, a married woman, once he commit an adultery, the respect is lost forever and ever. I understand. Precious make yes even need it. Onukbo cannot go with precious make. You supposed to know say this is foul play. Why is she insulting precious make? Precious make say yes even need it. Why say yes precious make me man epuwe lubi ejenebo naji. I don't know what you are doing there. Ono commit adultery.
Because you cannot fall in love with me. I expect you.
See, Mona list yo, precious make no day here again. If no another person did this life, as this guy went there here, as they is so precious man, Okpaika go mute her. Even people went there go say precious man here when no shine they saw again. She purposely there is so precious man for British Okpaika platform. Because why? Precious men don't follow and play one day. Because if you don't follow that small picky play, he go like to they insult you. Now it be that girl where they smoke it go. Anything when not make you give that girl friendship to hold. If you don't follow and do friendship, go they insult you. Now waiting if they do to Precious Meg now for British Okpaika platform. British Okpaika, you know they do this thing well. If you say they want to start to the insult, drop them. Because they are there for one side. Nobody they blame an adulterous woman when he commit adultery. Before this adulterous, before you know her friend will be Lolo, he don't already they do 3 sons with Obo wife. The woman went born for Obo. Because the woman carried the Obo come on for there, that is waiting bring problem. Then you sit down, wakigbaneto go udua fulegbe. You are so one kind. You're supposed to call the person, or even when Precious Meg come for there, the little girl, she said there is so Precious Meg because why? Precious Meg no be friend. Precious Meg no need that. Precious Meg no like her at all. She know. When she know say you not like her, when she get opportunity, she'll come to insult you. What kind of bullshit is that? If you reach matter, you ukidoru baneto be caravan. You want to sit down. They do life like this. Life when people they bring on social media, when they do for TikTok. If they say somebody when they want insult, he come up for there. If another person want insult the person, people when they'll say, who you they insult not there again. I bet no insult time. If you want insult time, they will tell the person, say, oh, yeah, bring them down. Because who you want insult, you not there again. You leave and make the insult Precious Meg. Precious Meg, no Precious Meg, Precious Meg, I don't know the kind of friendship. I who make before I tell you to understand. Now make me know they like that their friendship. But I see the way it is so Precious Meg. See.
It's not normal. What they think like that? It's not normal. All these things what they do, so it's not normal. African person.
This is the problem. I wish Lolo husband is open-minded as an Bruce. These people go out there. Monica husband go the fuck Lolo Monica fuck Monica.
For the marry.
Somebody say no choice friend he call her. Okay, this lesbian when that one they say he carry a friend they below it to every day. How many times that they see themselves for a year? Now they una go know say Monica they lie. How many times as you there for this social media? How many times they go their self as a year? How many times? Yes, not be every week now, not be every month now. Go say 2 of them. They are not even living in the same place. They'll say 2 of them. Every 2 weeks. That they go each other house. I be people when they do lesbian. Now once in a while, now they tell they do lesbian. I'm not in anybody's side. But I just want to do it. A lesbian people they not date distance. You know, see the one way they do with or with your husband, they were inside the same house together. Lesbian not they date distance. Even when you see lesbian to lesbian, if they want to seek asylum, the both of them seek asylum together. May she not come to talk for the choice when he decide to they do for his life. She don't know even how lesbian, and they operate. She found herself for inside lesbian. Now he called a guru lesbian. The person where say, I carry Soficon, Iyabolo hair. How many times he with Lolo they see for a month? Lesbian people that they stay together. Lesbian people one can close house. You go come meet another one. Their relationship, now he tight pass for the whole relationship when they see for this life. If na salon now they want go sick now, they will seek asylum together. Everything that they are doing it together. Their love now they tight pass husband and wife love, boyfriend and girlfriend love. Now their love now they tight pass. Anywhere where they go, then they draw themselves, they go. Even the whole world go know, they say, give them, let them be. Give the two of them. You cannot separate them. They know they separate lesbian. When you they do with Lolo? How did you do it? How many times did you do it in a year? How many times did you do it in a month? And both of you are alone living in the same city. Don't say that they live for the same city. Sometimes, if we want to say something, like me, I'm not a biased person. The both of them, they came to this social media, they were fighting everybody. That is what I always bargate with them. But when bringing now so I can't do lesbian with Lolo right from the time when he talk, even the time when he come out when he talk. When Lolo they go retirement platform, I even tell Rita say why you go do the video, why you go follow Lolo do the video, because it's irrelevant. Yes, lesbian is your choice. Some people they be lesbian, they go divorce, they go marry. If they find lesbian, they go divorce. People they husband have they do lesbian. If their husband catch them, they go divorce them. I don't know the kind of dirty lesbian you are doing. When people say you Lolo na your lesbian friend, at the end of the day, they see you with Lolo every day. Before someone go rush out. Okay, papi can call your house. Okay, how na content they do the lesbian for where the children there? Una know because the children were small that time. Before this one, mommy. How you want content get chance just to blow lie for social media to cover her adultery when she commits. Now waiting, she bring come be that. I wish Benin people know. Say they cover it up with adultery. Because Benin people, they don't know how lesbian they operate. Lesbian, they know they depart, they stay together. They can never depart one day. How many times if they call Lolo house before weeks go runs out? How many times Lolo they go house before weeks go runs out? How many times before most go runs out? 366 days, 365 days in a year. How many times he with Lolo they see? When they say one when they need in Agwaya Bolo, may they talk say now only one they choose something for a person to say they not they choose for a toto. When an illiterate people is talking, me I know the way I follow them. Illiterate people always look for something that will favor them. They don't think that other people have brain, to reason it. They put them for there. What kind of bullshit is that? Well, no, you know how many times? How many times? Una go ask say, how many times una they see a day? Lesbian with lesbian that they stay together 24 hours. Why some day when they go marry, they will come divorce? They'll say your wife, you don't know say your wife na lesbian. The guy they go there now. Precious men still come up for there. Okpaika still leave that platform. Make that guy they saw Precious men. It doesn't work that way. about working with you. If they want come the insult, they'll say, Okpaika get better mind. Okpaika could they forget. Okpaika no they forgive. The insult that you give to Okpaika go want. May another person come give you that insult for her platform. She know what she's doing. Ole Bolu. What's that? Many people have we work on platform no say. Then if the day when you go open now when your cousin say boku begu we work on where I keep to the platform, if you can't open your platform to talk for Benin, say make now they insult each and all of them because they call back, I will like you too much, or back, I will like you too much, and then you go stay stupid. Toriti say they like you. People when they say now you bring problem between Benin and Ishan, how come they will come turn around come like you? I shall mean I want to follow them play because they be knife when they shot for two sides. He can't come they insult Precious Men for there. Because very long time they want to talk to Precious Men. If they want to do friend with Precious Men, they no agree, they insult her. The same way when he seated they insult Lolo for your platform. Because Lolo no follow and do friendship one day. I know that little girl very well. When she see that you did do friend with her, she go like to they insult you. She go like to they insult you. Because years back when Lolo with Monica that they do friend, that they now Lolo with Monica, they insult her. They you go say now Lolo, now no one make Monica no one make Monica follow her do friend. That is why she get that hatred for Lolo. Because Lolo no they follow and play. Now the same thing now is still they do for Meg. Oh, because Meg no they follow and play. She and Botrowe Meg no they like to follow the play at all. Now that thing now he can't come Prince Okpaika platform where if they insult Meg, Okpaika give one, leave one for them if they insult Meg. Even the second one where Papa, whether na Papa Bish and whether na Mama Bibinio, I don't know where for come. That one they say Prince Okpaika, enareveka huwe. All of una when they Prince Okpaika platform, una never fair insult to Prince Okpaika. The Prince Okpaika one at the top, Prince Okpaika never fair insult una. Una go not say una no go forgive person. Una go they look for forgiveness. Now make me talk say forgiveness is a sin. Because I know the heart of man is wicked. Or sure when I crack with you finish, if I raise muzzle with you finish, I have nothing to do with you again. And they dump you for dustbin, I go through with you. Once I call you my friend, we don't crash. That friendship is gone and died, and it will be buried. I know they can't reach where you dey again because I don't take my friendship. I know they take and they use until they play for ground. Look at them today. Their friendship, you cannot see anyone that will bring friendship of 20 years in no day. You cannot see anyone that will bring friendship of 30 years in no day. Look at the people. Today they will follow this one, do friend. Tomorrow they go fight. Their friend, no, they reach 2 years. Now they go fight, settle. The people that is fighting and settle to settle, you know that these people, they are not normal. They are not normal. They are stupid. If they want to tell people, they'll say, I get forgiving heart. I get forgiving heart. You think people that have forgiving heart, you think if they forgive you, they will follow you play again? What you are doing, Okpaika, is not good. You used to stop giving Benin people chance to call the insult each and person for there. Because you cannot go to Benin people platform now. If you read that, they're going to insult you. Why are you alive then? If now insult now they want brick on, you tell them, say, no, you don't need it. The way they say they do adulterous case. Now today, question when Lolo ask you for there, why you know answer? If na no want talk now, so na no they lie. He say whether not be you tell them for social media, say you fuck Austin, may you talk. Wait till you talk. You say she fuck Austin, may you talk. Wait till you talk. You say, not be that one that they talk for here. Why they not tell you, say, okay, Okpaika, this one when Lolo carry come. True, tell us. Because you know whether now, because you carry account the people when you can't tell whether now true or lie. Nobody know. But as he tell you for them now, why you not addressed that place? You are not doing it well. I told you that you have to go back to school. A learned person know the how to proceed. You are not learned. You be mugu. When somebody is no longer in a platform, he drop out. As that person drop out, that person don't want a kiosk. He don't want to raise the dust. That is why he left that place. As that person left that place, you see that person matter is dead there. Even if say somebody want bring another person will say, no, they here again. He give chance. Oh yeah, wait till you want talk. Talk your own, may you go. Somebody left there. That little girl still there is certain. That means you don't know how to proceed. You have to go to school. If you want to be a motivational speaker, not this wara wara when you they do. Or they are see meet today. I tell one. Or they are see meet today. Okay. Or now you meet today. If they want, you say no. As you waka come out, you don't want kiosk. You don't go. Make you go to another page. Now so that they do.
Well, now for the marry.
I beg you.
May I tell you, another one thing. You see this life, mommy, I don't make a quit Dorothy one thing. Sister Dorothy, may I tell you? Sister Dorothy, may I tell you one thing? You just tell me your say.
Make that they make Bini people they marry for Bini. Ni Bini people more than they marry na Bini me. Some women more than they marry na some me. All this una marry one hypocrite marry one and they marry. If I don't see who marry you now would they find how now one content they jump, they go here. Like one person that they say, lovely, now one of my girlfriend, if they say make I come marry Binima, whether I no marry, I say I not they marry, say I resist. I say I not they marry because why? Now I say don't say that I'm resist. Or why you say no marry Binima? I say no, you go marry one. Be like say you marry the community. I don't think come marry one person and the community now call they cook for every day. Lie. Because where they she lo so work malaja yok ma home. I don't like it. If I like her, Akishani Dr. Van, everybody go enter bus. They come okoro. They want come follow me fight. Now every day, if they fight finish tomorrow, if you want to marry, they know the place when they marry. No be a noisy place, a disaster place where be say now one woman, about 5 women, they will carry their friends, follow, but they want to go drive and come out for your husband's house. I don't need that. The person said, I said, no, I'm not a racist. That is what I want. If you don't like something, doesn't mean that you are a racist.
That is not a normal thing. My sister, gone are those days. This time when we are there, so everybody have their own sexual status. There are people that said they are straight. There are people that said they are lesbian. Me, what I mean,
I'm not go rest because
enter house, rest for the matter. Rest for the matter, enter house, you don't do. More now, as this matter don't do, reach for social media, make una enter house. You know go rest. So now we woje. Aki kwe wo kugbe aki a ligewo. Awo ligewo. I lo yon webe. Awo ligewo. Ako kwe wo kugbe aki a ligewo. Aligo dede. Era defia uke rana kariwa akanya eje. Aligereve kugbe. You don't want rest. Carry the matter they talk now. Una when they say I don't want rest. All of them, tell them make they pack their children come and make they can't do DNA. I even know I hope before you know another person don't fuck una. Useless people. Now so that one stay plus on so they insult Meg. You know if it say no, Meg not there again. Stop. Where all they are see anywhere. If person come on for there, even if say that they talking matter, they'll say don't do who na can't they talking matter now? You don't come on for here. You did there, that little guy, they insult me, you are there. Well, Kogbe, you are too foolish. Foolish, Igbe. who mwen wife ya. You too foolish. I tell Meg that day, the day when I do video, I tell Meg, I say, if na Rita now you day, go there with Rita. Me I be make you change your genre, make your run like ben where change your genre. You come out now, you say Rita day line. Now so these people go do now, they go scatter you and Rita. Go one person. Go, I don't know. If Rita day it or suffer day there. Like the one when my sister taught just now. He said the day when the matter come. Rita dey there. Rita not also because say with Lolo they fight. You go they use system they saga Lolo for there, or you go they throw it direct word for Lolo for there. No. Where as a mama come, as a mama with Rita, they know they play. As a mama with Meg, they I don't know what to bring quarrel for there. They know they play. As a mama no come they insult Meg for there. As a mama no come they insult Rita for there. These are how they do things. If you have problem with somebody, go to your platform and do it there. But when you go to other person's platform, you do not behave there like that. The way you will do in your platform, you don't do it there. When we are talking about maturity, you see people that have mature. Yes, not true. Now my sister told just now. He says as a mama did there. People that they went with as a mama, they call as a mama no can leave the show when they do, you can't they insult the people. Rita did there, Rita with Lolo no they talk. What did Rita talk? Rita say, and you know they join anybody, you want to talk, you talk. And the way Rita talk, yes, 100% right. They are talking about adulterers. They are not talking about lesbian. Lesbian is a choice. He talk and finish, he come on for there. No be say this one will come. He will come insult somebody when he want put opinion. That they do it like that. You open platform, Benin person go you will come to insult each and people for your platform. The day when the something go come verse Okpaika, if Okpaika come to say he wants start to insult Benin people, all of them go they come. Okpaika now our mommy you be oh. Okpaika now our mommy you be oh. These people that will insult you, they do not want you to insult them back. The day when I go reach TikTok, now that day when I go know say I dislike una. Yes, the one we no good for his side. Now that don't know say I dislike una. I can fin over go they block una. Now see the one I take block all of una for my Facebook. Now so I will see take block all of una. They know the guy forgiving her. They are so taking okay Simon forgiving. No, the guy forgiving her. No, they let matter go. I was say I person na he did the matter. If they come, they'll just turn her. If any person do something not do away, I go talk her. If some person do something not do away, I go talk her. I don't come to say because I'm my Asian person, I'll come to say I want to join my Asian. No. You are not doing it well. What don't you look back or say that I go with precious make? No, that you don't do. No, that you no, you don't do. Okay, possible. No, you put on for that. That guy never insult you. I'm your no can even say insult. I'm your no can even say insult in social media.
Must be safe.
I'm your no say insult. That you never insult you. Or I say when we social media. When they try say all of them when they Monica with Lolo, they don't insult you. Even the men self, all of them, they don't insult you. She never insult you. Because Udo work in a reg Udo. Or work in a reg bivin that mudo no va or kira bivin or uhi. Learn to do things well. Oria, I shan't go on plus someone or na shagun, okay, now bye. I know I made this person insult me. As that person they leave that platform, is gone. The matter, let it die. Oh, what's the platform more? Or look more cannot remain now, or what with precious make you are looking at that way, akituane kinafonya ekbano. And the same people not who will be platform no say now they go still there with you. At the end of the day, now, as you go insult the people, when you go insult finish, now, he go. Now, these same people, now, when she come insult for your platform, now, they go still there with you. And not that she's coming to stay there. She know they can't stay there. Or if they don't direct you where, yeah? Now, to just go insult people, where be say, he don't dare her mind to insult. Now, she can't insult. She have the opportunity. That is how these people, they are doing their things. That is why I know they like them. He like it because their character is so dirty. Know how to do something. If you want to talk about, no, Fiora, okay, the one where they talk. The same woman say, he get friend. He get friend when he born for a bow. He said, now, in house, no, both for see the girlfriend. Now, both go rent house with the girl come out for there. That be the fight when they fight. While I not thought that one, he don't take away, he start the adulterous with lesbian. He don't take before her ex-friend come to her life. Because what she they do now, she use her now to rob her ex-friend. If because he said somebody top put where, she go call the saga the person. See the way where the saga shine and be waiting at the color. Now that one, I wake up in the night, go peace. I see and say she the saga that one. Eh? Wait till they her body, now she they tell that one. Wait till they her body, now she they tell that one. The last time we check, we could now go check and the children when they talk. Not be the same father, not be the picking get. As they talk, my eye no dead there. As they say, while now see truth, una go live on. Then now want make the matter come on for grant. Somebody went to say he don't take where Ambrose with her, with her both girlfriend, they do lesbian. Then they do 3 songs. Before Obo can carry the girl, they fell in love together. Obo with the girl can come out. Now today they do lesbian. Oh no, mother, we lesbian for how many years? Somebody went on they do lesbian since 2000 and something. Now that they talk, oh, not be 2020 something, 2000 and something. The children small. With person when you can't do lesbian with person last year. Which one don't take for inside lesbian pass? Which one they don't use hand to know it to pass? Not be the one where don't they do lesbian see two something. 2000 and something. I already know so Kenya no ane. What I bought on the danger. Or where they know they choose something for Percy Toto. You where they choose something for Percy Toto. Where your Toto? Every day now you take the chuka for inside your Toto. Every day now you take the Zolo Toto. Because the people that was chuking things inside your Toto, you know they see there again. Ambrose. Obol Ambrose Regine where we di. Yeah? They didn't want no abonu weekend day. Man, I learn how to talk truth. No, not the bias. Not bias too much. That they talk with it, that they talk. The second one go there, they insult today. Monica and Lolo, we know for this social media say they be terrible human being. We know. But when matter don't come, treat them the way when they want to treat them.
Stay less. Don't guess, Mona they do less, Bobo. Fine. Una never marry. Like say last night, say let no girls more. If you do anything we like. But if you don't marry, say me and go tell her say we
why say let's go do what he like? Yeah? If say let's go do lesbian tomorrow now go talk say he can't do lesbian. Well, let that one I don't hide now. He break they don't hang it break for up. He go accept her now. When he read deceive be. As he don't tell Stainless now say, Stainless they do lesbian. If you can't marry before you know can't do lesbian gay. Stainless when you say, yeah, before you come marry. Stainless tell you say they go husband house. Stainless they tell you say they go husband house. So advice when you dey give stainless now. May I come for you now and stainless. Advice when you dey give stainless now. You want now make stainless now. Make they pull hand for stainless to make the nyano ave na ya vohoho. Then I don't nyan the stainless you don't value your to. Then before stainless you want to get husband. Then stainless come the waka you go the scratch to they go. You see this woman I don't know si Okpaika or Wagba. So man whether it by just they do what they do, whether I don't know. Where is our stainless never see husband? Make stainless go they do lesbian. Okay, they you get husband. Why you not they do lesbian? I'm Beatrice Okpaika. Where won't do? The last time we check, you not get husband. Why you not they do 33 son? Now you need 33 son. A lot of women with a lot of men, they go there on top of your body. Because you have dabu ukeke. Ono amune, 3 men go carry one breast, say eke afon. The guys in the 5 guys go there inside your toto, eke al jinobo wewe kedi. Whether you go feel resistant. So when that back you can't bust like that snake when it burst. If you want give birth to snake babies. You see what they tell that one now is stainless. Well, it's stainless in your ninya or your move boto. Anything when you tell them, neither they do. Later now, stainless will go they find who you want follow do lesbian. It's stainless where he mat they leak like public pump. We are in Jiloba, ye stainless wegbe. Stainless do aso ya vadalazu enore. See God when Beatrice Okpaika they talk. Beatrice Okpaika, you get grandchildren. Now your grandchildren now before they go marry, make women fair use her take their toto, make the fair figure their toto. I think say imono sorry, I will let them imono sorry amunyaga. You know how to advise people, children. Still let's get children, still let's get how many children, still let's get 3 children. Not be 3 children, not be still let's get. Now they say still let's can do lesbian. All will be your grandchildren. May you go advise them, say, may they do lesbian or till they go see husband marry. Say, I never reach to get boyfriend, but make women they chook hand for na toto. Ba waroka do toi. Okay, agbuki. Shogenya, bwebewu kota. Okay, jabe, when over your gwenya, we shall not yata, we walkie kone. Oh, no, till lesbian, or see Monica na. With adulterous, not be lesbian na choice. Only all adulterous, you know, see Monica na. Where was our bwegbe call? You don't to tell top. Aya bwegbe ki toilet yake ami ishen neje we. You don't to tell on top of this Monica adulterous. Leave the adulterous cloth to make Monica wearing. No be you the Monica washing. No be you they buy soap when Monica take they wash the adulterous cloth. Anytime when Monica adulterous cloth take dirty, now Monica now they wash clothes when and I they buy soap when they wash am. Now Monica they buy cloth. If you wash the adulterous cloth finish, you go iron am, you go wear am. Now the cloth, adulterous cloth when they Monica body, it be like skin. If they wash am, they iron am. Asa bwegbe uke won, oki do chonsu uki. Beatrice Okpaika. Leave Monica, leave the adulterous case. It don't do. Because this adulterous case now, you they use until they go to Zolo fight when you with some people fight years back. And Monica adulterous case now you come to the retaliate. Now you come to the do payback. How can they precious make they your platform it come out? This guy when they let that line here, if they saw precious make you leave her. Where people where be precious make you go home. They were gonna share care. We're gonna take her back as a lover. All their chance to look at no mention. You know they see retire. If you want anybody say you want total pressure, they go say no, not trying for you, not trying beg. Because why? Retire they protect that place because retire know they say how they want to drag precious meg, how they want to scatter precious meg. Now all of them come for. You know see the way retire they attack them. You know they see precious meg. If you want insult retire, you say no, not trying beg. No, come on for you, not trying. You know they agree. Those are the people when they fight themselves, they reconcile themselves back. They don't want other people to poke nose on their issue. Now, so it just be like a best friend. When you come be say they quarrel, people scatter them. If they come back again, you see these people where they did with them before, when they scatter them, they go cut them off. If they cut the one when they papa side come on, they go cut the one when they mama side come on. It's still their family. If woman marry now, you see say na mama, now they scatter your husband house. If he with your husband set to finish, you know they let him mama come in house again. He go say, mama, no come gay. I go bring food for you, no come. I fit come greet you for village. Me with my husband will come greet you. They go stay if na 2 hours, if na 1 hour. Okay, mama, we don't greet you finish. Oh, bye. They don't go let if their mama carry luggage come again, come sit down, lie. If two people when they like themselves, they fight. If they settle again, nobody they go there. Nobody. You see that gate when they open that gate, they go come the locker. Ayoji arabu wano soria. You go do gate by John gate. You go buy key John key. Okpaika. If you offend people offend you. You don't know how to forgive. Do not bring forgiveness for front. Not bring forgiveness. Because at the end of the day, the matter for social media of Monica adulterous case, forget about it. Let Monica carry a cross. He don't do. I don't say tomorrow now, you go see bath, go sit down. I told adulterous, you working high toy. For instance, don't want adultery. I told they know they make up put. You will use something to blank yourself. You feel use native chalk. Do your face like this. Do your face like this. If you put your hand for native chalk, you use and take pass your face like this. Go ear side. From nose, go ear side. From nose, carry and come down. From nose, carry and go up. Iriare bracket. If you want to talk for adulterous case, if you don't want to use, if you see say too worst, you go use charcoal to rub. Who are give me charcoal? Looking where we reguelo. After Brisa Paka now we kita ru ahen reguelo. You say you want to talk about adulterous case. Since now you now can't be the mother piece of the adulterous. As a lady, I robot si worry. Only you are social media re. Okpaika go still carry a con. And I van. It is person that say, I didn't know if I person not say na ira ka hu others are where they call your platform, they not fair insult you. Oh no, but that time, oh ira ka hu oh ira hu just baki egani bini bi da yo bini boy bi bini ishan boy ehon bami ewon nu we move by social media bami yo na you dey scatter bini and nation. When they come say two boys, as soon as come to the talk and people come lie say Ishan boy with Ishan with a Bini boy. They don't fight to. They don't fight to because of Ishan and this thing Bini Matao. They don't stop themselves. Now be do warete wrong enter social media. For there do ware he not talk to you for there. When you do ware come your platform now. Odu wareka the times all those people don't insult you. Monica don't insult you. Lolo don't insult you. Men don't insult you. This one don't insult you. All of them went there, they don't insult you. Now let me one never insult you. Storyteller. I don't like person when you get mad for your body. You get hole for your body. Be like a bang. All of them when they call the day platform. All of them they don't fair beat the day. And the day don't fair beat them. Courage today, night the day. Now, Lolo, now they call Beatrice Okpaika. A day. Now they call her a dede. Because that one no say she with a quarrel. Now me can see they call her a dede. That one no say I self forgive you, British Okpaika. Now me can see they call her a dede. Until the day when Lolo go forgive British Okpaika. Now you go they call British Okpaika. British Okpaika. You know, she say na dede, now see they call her. Eh? As Monica enter a dede platform, you know see what you tell her. Now you come good pass. Now you never. Now me never insult British Okpaika. Now me never insult British Okpaika. Since British Okpaika kicho who don't know who care there. Onova ekiro hokmo. Every British Okpaika gwa no me na. Oh, they do this thing. I don't like. I know they like to talk about those hypocrite people. They are full of hypocrites. Ene kene wariwe na, erebe kagu British Okpaika, wa be kagu British Okpaika. We gwene. I know the last person when you say na you no pass. You no fair so if I the day when British Okpaika tell me say make I come TikTok, I tell am say whether na me with am dey do TikTok. You hear British Okpaika now you go tell me make I enter TikTok. I dey talk my own. Once you may be a mamie gbebo or follow, ya gbeka ponwe wa se. I will take myself down. When you do the gbeme to bone bubu edi kweko kan ne junu we gberebe. They be like fita wa he. When they can ne valley na they gumwe nina. All those one when they fuck up and down. If they come they hide their own they top SEO. I beg you make una enter house. The one way they when you say now they smoke or Igbo when they let down this one don't insult you, that one don't insult you, this one don't insult you, that one don't insult you, Monica don't insult you, Lolo don't insult you, Maggie don't insult you, that one don't insult you, this one don't insult you. Okpaika wa behuwe. What of you? This one when they smoke Igbo for a year. When they smoke Igbo for a year, you Okpaika no fair is so there. What of Okpaika? He use Monica fight finish. He use Lolo fight finish. After 1 year, be 9 months. Be how many months for Lolo platform? He go Monica platform. He go spend almost 3 years. Who can be charge play like that? No be Okpaika can be charge play. No be Okpaika can be charge play. Go see video when you already do. He just stand on his stood. He just stood her ground. Because they don't use that one to wipe everywhere. Now, he don't they stood her ground. You don't see the video where he do. That one see the Mete area they go. That one yesterday, they apologized to Obo Abe. Forgive me. You see, huh? Hypocrite people. If I want beat you, I will beat you. If it's not necessary, it's not necessary. That's why I think they do my own. If I want to beat you, I'll beat you. Adulterous case, leave one for Monica. Now Monica, now get her. Leave adulterous case. Lesbian case is a choice. Lesbian don't mean anything. Women that they husband house, that they do lesbo. Yes. So men they divorce. They'll say, I don't like the way this woman and my wife, they are doing something. Sometimes, some husband that they see their wife with another woman, that they go catch them for the action. So women don't catch their husband where that they do gay with another man. If they man see they do one, their wife they catch them. That one they different than adulterous. Adulterous is adulterous. You cannot clean it. That adulterous. I don't know I don't know that thing. I don't know why that thing. For the whole sin of this world. If you keep us now, with adulterous now, Now the same stain. Even who keep person if you like may come for prison. Killer. I would that one no gba one. Wale neo whether he carry dagger. That was say may ye gba one. They say they don't know because don't say gba one before. It be like adultery. You see huh? Adultery now they say or day. Make una see how they come o. Make una hold na husband well. You they follow that woman they play go say now adulterous so may not go. You see adulterous with our not gba one now they say this be. They say na it be. Well, now they carry the waiting now one cover now one call lesbian take cover. Me now let me I like prick. You are like a prick or a I like Ugbola. I can say I want to do lesbian. If you like me, my papa, my mama, my sister, my brothers, tell me say make I not do again, no concern me. Because
If I don't marry my husband,
you should don't
my
marry.
husband let me be remaining bisexual and you like us for fucking pussy together, we'll bring a pussy home.
I tell you what they do for inside house.
Yes, my man, I'm
You see then? Wait till they talk just now. I say lesbian no get wahala. No be this guy wait there yet. No be Prince Okpaika say me go they do lesbian. He say if he husband let her they do and he go they bring and come house. Okay. When man they let woman they carry woman like her they call house. You see, men they are cheater. They can use another way take on cheat. You see, Monica, oh, her husband they cheat on her. But Monica don't say her husband they cheat on her. You see, huh? He don't know say bring it doing three enemy is a cheat. Another way round, Monica can they use or both or other men consider they cheat on her husband. You see, a cheater is a cheater. It doesn't say Monica husband not they go outside. But the guy who that they do 360 with. Did you see a cheater? A man is a cheater. He can use another way to they fuck another woman. You go say make 12 now they do it together. You see, now it be the brain when Ambrose carry come because they say Ambrose go school. Now it be the brain when Ambrose carry come. Ambrose cheating. Ambrose not opener. He use her in the way where he go favor her. Favor Monica. I say her him. Na him they satisfy total pass. Okay, see Ambrose now. As he don't, I think we'll sit down and talk this matter. If I want to do makeup, maybe later the day, makeup or tomorrow. You see the way where man is the cheater. Man can cheat in any corner. Now that cheating, now Ambrose carry. You see the way when Ambrose say carry and come, Ambrose they educate. As Ambrose want to bring it, he bring it in a educated way. When Monica no go queen no, say Ambrose they cheat on her. If Monica, three of the constant, with Monica don't do. Ambrose now will not carry prick, he put for the get toto, he go come fuck, he go don't satisfy himself because he's a cheat. A cheater must satisfy himself. If you dare man. You see, huh? When Monica go and say, oh, Monica no quit no. As Monica can't no. Monica can't use your bow. Monica can't use your bow. You see, huh? How Monica can't they do, huh? If Ambrose no come dey how, you see, Monica and Ambrose, he never na ba. Hi. If Ambrose can't go work, then Monica now want for prick. He will come say me they do 3 song. You not see the way when these people take they do amo. Say me they do 3 song. You see the obo will come there. Monica will come there. Obo girlfriend will come there. If Monica want to step down with dick, you go come, 3 of them will come dey there. And at the end of the day, Obo already the fucking girlfriend. Everybody know. Then at the end of the day now, Obo now, you go come put the prick. You go put on for Monica Toto. You go come fuck Monica Toto. Now waiting Ambrose. May they not all say Ambrose, no, they carry girlfriend for our side. Now I make Ambrose come, he with Monica come they do, he can't bring that thing. Come me with Monica, they do. Make people know that that woman, he too responsible. The man know they cheat. The man know they go outside. The man too responsible. He can't do yo in a way where be say Monica go see the enjoy her. But now they enjoy her past Monica. Because it's a flatter. A flatter is a flatter. Now go enjoy her past Monica. How many Toto, how many hand that guy want chook for Monica Toto when go satisfy her? Toto and prick, which one start hand and prick, which one satisfy Toto pass? Me una reason na. If you like carrot stick, you come. You know the sweet, the way when prick it the sweet. Did you see it? Now, Monica husband can't do it like that, so that Monica know they look and say if they cheat because he with Monica they can't do it. Then dear now the Obo wife Obo girlfriend with Monica girlfriend. You don't know say Monica say na Obo na can carry the girl come on for your house. Can't be like say Monica now they fuck Obo. The same time he with the girl they do lesbian because Obo come meet Monica with Ambrose that they do lesbian together. Then as Obo come now, Monica come put Obo inside so that Monica go they enjoy dick. Go they enjoy Obo dick. You know see the dick when now 2 dick you go they enjoy now. You go enjoy Ambrose O. You go enjoy Obo O. You see Even he say he want to do with say, for example, say he say he want to do with Lolo. If I don't enjoy Lolo, and Lolo for don't follow and do that one, Ambrose go dead there. Ambrose go dead there. Monica go dead there. He no go agree. Or let's say if Alaribe see accept to do one, you go come be quattro. You go come be quattro son. You go come be quattro son. You go come be 4 people like that. If Monica, if Ambrose put for Lolo, then whether they call her, Igwe go put for Monica. That's what you no agree work. You no work. Now it make me see the dad say, Monica with Lolo, they don't do anything consign lesbian. They don't do anything consign lesbian. I will say they do something consign lesbian. Igwe must do. Igwe must do. You go come be 4. You go come be 4 of them like that. Another one, even if say that they talk about lesbian, say Lolo follow Monica do lesbian. Me, I know the believer. I know the believer. Because Lolo na person when be say, you're yellow. Or you see, you know, constant, if they call romance and finish, Ambrose not can carry a prick go put for Monica, then who will come put to prick for you? Then he must involve the husband. You must involve the husband to the game. Now, so it they be. He must involve the husband to the game. Now, so it they be. Now make me, if they say, now so, Lolo, I never accept that. Say, 2 of them, they do lesbian. Yeah, I never accept that. Because people, when, that 3 song, when they do so, Monica, as Ambrose with Monica, don't already they do one, If Monica with Lolo say that they do lesbobo, Ambrose must enter inside. And Lolo no go gree. He no go walk. Make we make we sit down, the reason now. Let's talk in a matured way. It not go work. Other we now. Because the four of them must do it together. Yeah, the four of them must do it together. And I make me they talk say, this lesbian when Monica they say I do with Lolo, I do with Lolo. I know they una say I always the reason that thing. I know the reasoner. I know the reasoner because the people that play game together, you must complete. If you don't complete, if now 5 people now they play draft now. If the 5 people not there, they go find each other. Oh, this is not what they suit me at all. Yeah. Abi Nakibo, Abi David. Oh, where Papa Ije. Mo go to find Papa Ije they go because it's not complete. Even if another man say, okay, make a join. I go say, no, you don't know how to play. They go wait for Papa Ije before they go start to play the game. All those are one I don't they talk. All those one are story. Those are story. You know make sense. Say that's what they can't bullshit us in a lie. You know make sense. He just want to talk and make people yeah well woo. She want to say that thing for her favor. How it they play as far as it already did the game of 3. He no go fit do with one person alone. Monica no go fit run with one person alone. They must they complete. Iya must they complete. Omagba erien. Omagba erien. Now he make when Lolo say as he can't call and he carry children go swimming pool, he won't use that to tell lure that woman. Now you don't see an eye with your husband, you don't tell what they do. Sometimes while they calculate, but I know they use hatred, take the judge matter. Now I make matter not they come for social media, we come back again. If you use hatred, take judge matter, the matter will come back again. Now Monica they always they talk. So you get one video when you say you see that one, or when on the have say Facebook or you know get what they do for Facebook. Now 2 people when they fight, now they analyze. And Monica don't say if I analyze them, you must see the truth inside. I know they do baby here. If Lolo just wrong, I'll just carry Lolo come and go talk her. If she wrong, I'll bring her come and go talk her. I know they any of the side. You see that one when Lolo for bounce phone. When Kata say, wait till be this one. Because Lolo no say that they do one before. It be one Lolo inside. Now I make Lolo say, what did they have? What they do? He say, that they fuck. He don't quit the man, show the prick. Because the man, he already they do one. He already they do one with them about. Not before about girlfriend, they start to they do one. He don't do one before. Anybody when he rent their house, he must do one with them. Anybody when he rent their house, he must do one with them. If na man rent their house now, no be woman, Ambrose no go agree. Because Ambrose no fit do one with a man. Now woman, now they do one with. Then at the end of the day now, Obo can go rent house for there. And that girl don't already dead there. Una see her? Did you see it? Now he make as Obo they come, they carry Obo load, they throw win. Iyana mu Obo ekpeti, Iyana mu figure, water. You see her? That is the game. The Monica and Ambrose, now what did they do be that? As they do want to her friend, as her friends talk her, as that they do. I got say, see, they do. You see, they be won't use that one, Leon. You say, wow. You say, see what they do. Before you know, you quick Ambrose. You even see, say, na Monica self, now you go even show her. Ambrose speak, say, see. Now that one of this is say, you know they do. You see, that is how it is. If now see truth, make una they talk. Do you know why? If these people they talk, I know they too blame them because they are not educated. They fall for matter they talk. Iya ware, iya wawe, Monica wawe, iya wawe, Lolo wawe, Lolo, why you got to one? But the person when he using matter talk and say, he don't they do one with Obo and Obo girlfriend. Una no go tago that place. They say now where meet for enter house, enter bush. Now there they for the trace a leg, a foot plate, enter the bush. You don't tell when they do three wahala when they do. You don't take their blood. You don't take their blood. You don't see that one that day now. He say one this is a during the time of caravan. He talking for Mama Blue platform. During the time of caravan, as he do the man finish, he say he come outside, he come throw away spit. You know see say he come throw away spit. That's it. No, I know how to the talk truth. No, I not just go they talk say na Esa, now this one be Bini, now this one be Esa. No, the two of them. If they do it, no go make una talk say now like this it be. Now so. Make una no come dey do gra. Find where una wan carry the matter put. It's 3 months time now. Adulterous case go still come. Lesbian case not they come. Adulterous case now they come. Opo how you go talk and reach? Monica commit adultery with Obo. If you go to TikTok, people where they call TikTok, they put now adulterous now that they talk. They know they talk of lesbian. Now these people when I watch Monica that time for Facebook. Now they debate for lesbian when Monica talk. But the real people that have the brain, they know they talk about this thing, lesbian. Now adulterous now that they talk about, now that they hit on. Did you see it? Well, I know how to they calculate. That's my own talk on this issue. The matter said, now Beatrice Okpaika, now come to Beatrice Okpaika, you are not doing it well. Let for example now say, you dare Precious Make platform. Then, they always find where I want to insult you. If I want to insult you for Precious Make platform, Precious Make no go like her. You go say, oh, we no be na. You go say, my sister, no. This one, if you want to insult back for you, go say, no triumph for you. Precious Make must, you see that place. Precious Make must protect that place. When you no go allow me insult Beatrice Okpaika for a platform. Even her friend self, Rita, maybe as you dey now say, I want to talk to Rita for there. You go see tell me say, he get the way when Precious Make go see take cut me comment. Me and for no insult Rita, me and for no insult Beatrice Okpaika. But that is it. Beatrice Okpaika know they do. She know what she's doing. Adulterous case, leave her. You don't tell when Monica dey inside. No be today. Leave her. Since if somebody that want to be, you see my platform. My platform, if you want to insult, I'll say no. Put your opinion. I don't need your insult. Your insult is not my opinion. That is not opinion people want. People there, we still have learned people there. Not everybody married a boto. Insult is not opinion. Put your opinion and take your insult to your platform. If you want to insult somebody, go to your platform. On your video, you have Facebook, you have TikTok, you have YouTube, you have Instagram. You can go there. That is your platform. Like me now. If I say somebody, they insult me for a platform, I won't take myself so low. I go climb that platform. Go to defend myself. No. Because I knew that me with that person, we are not playing. Did you see that? I know they go there. If I say the person, if they continue to insult me, only what I will do, I go block. Because I don't want to see you. Now, so they do my things. Then, why they come, they tell you, say, all those when they tell, say, they don't insult Beatrice Okpaika. Hypocrite people. Una no say insult Beatrice Okpaika. Who they Beatrice Okpaika platform? We never insult Beatrice Okpaika by comments, by calling. Make una come talk say una never insult her. By comment, by calling. Because all of una when they TikTok, all your Edo Sabbath space people when they TikTok, all of una don't insult Okpaika. Okpaika don't see Isotuna. Then when it comes to you want to go and put contribution on somebody's video, the people that have issue before, do not bring it there. You people should be lenient. People should go back to school. Know how to proceed, know how to talk when you have to talk. And when you don't have anything to say, you shut up. Do not break crowd. When I call they scatter a heaven. Rubbish people. This Okpaika, that's the way they do stop her. No, they give Benin people a chance again, make they call they sort Isha for your platform. All the names say you want to talk about adulterers. Leave Monica, leave your adulterers. Enough is enough.